Good morning, YouTube. Yeah, I destroyed this generator, huh? What is it, a Husqvarna 420GN? Whatever. Anyway, he come in here, said it run a little bit and then it quit. Well, we cleaned the carburetor and everything, and then we got to looking, and after I cleaned the carburetor, I turned on the fuel with the fuel valve right there, tank sitting on it, and anyhow, no gas. I blew through the valve. Hold on, let me get that out and I'll show you. Okay, this is the little fuel valve, and it actually sits right in there. Sorry about the camera work here, folks. It sits right in there, then your fuel line goes in this hole and out through there, which is, you know, where the tank feeds. Well, I'm gonna get my little bore scope and I'm gonna show you what the problem is. This hose is no good. Let me go get that bore scope and I'll show you what it looks like inside. Okay, guys, I am not sponsored by these people, but I do have a link in the description on Amazon. You can record with this thing. This thing is awesome bore scope. Now I'm gonna play this and get rid of these reflections. We're gonna look inside that fuel line. Excuse my dirty finger. This is inside that fuel line. Look at there, look at the blockage in there. That's the inside of the rubber that is swole up. Now I'm gonna look around here to the other side and see inside there how the rubber is all coming apart and swelling up. We'll take one more look in here. Look at that, swole up. No fuel's getting by that thing, buddy. All right, guys, we set the fuel tank back on here, hooked it back up. It was this line back here that goes up into the tank. This one looks excellent. I think I'm still going to replace it, but I'm just going to show you. Let's turn this on. That is plenty of fuel for this thing to run on. Listen, folks, I hope this helps someone out. Check those fuel lines really good, guys. Make sure that your fuel flows correctly. Otherwise, they'll just run themselves out of gas and not be out of gas. Listen, click that subscribe button. Got any suggestions on videos? If we can do them, we'll do them. And we'll do our best to read all these comments. And thank you for watching. Click that subscribe and click the bell. Ding, ding. Have a great day, folks. Thank you.